niwaeleze vile ambavyo. So today we are going to clean up this laptop. So as you can see here, you can see the fan. Look at this fan, how dirty it is. So as you can see, this laptop is very, very dirty. So you want to do some cleanup on that laptop. So I'm opening the. So this is the fan. This is the fan. So we're going to clean this fan, then turn it back. So here we're cleaning the fan to remove all the dirt. Then you come from behind. So in the behind now we try clean and remove all the dirt. You can see the fan is now clean. So as you can see, the fan is very clean. Very, very clean fan. So what we shall do is just return the fan to its original position and we are good to go. So you just come here. So now we are returning the fan back to its original position. So I'll finish that. So just take the screw and screw the nuts down. So after that, you come and